Nacio mbĩtĩka cia mũthako wa Rollball na iria ikoretwo cigĩthiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ gwa kahinda-inĩ ga kiumia kĩmwe rĩu nĩ itirihĩtwo. Kenya matunyũkithirio hotani nĩ timu cia bũrũri wa India na timu ya airĩtu ya Kenya mũthako-inĩ ũyũ makĩanũrwo na bao 5-0, nao arũme makĩanũrwo na bao 5-1. Kocha Steven Ndelito wa timu ya airĩtu augĩte atĩ nĩ mekwĩrutanĩirie hanene, no kĩbarũa kĩrĩa kĩrĩ mbere yao rĩu nĩ kũhũndũra gĩkombe gĩkĩ na mũciĩ. Mũthako wa Rollball nĩ ũmwe wa mĩthako ĩrĩa ĩrakũra na njĩra nene thĩinĩ wa thĩ ĩkĩgucĩrĩria makiri ma mbeũ njĩthĩ.
We had some difficulty in them attacking. There was some people were still there was some fear in them, but I know they did their best. They played so well, they attacked so well, and I know in the future we are going to take that cup and it's not going to leave our country.
As a team, personally, we did our level best. We played according to how we were taught. Just some few corrections here and there, but in the next World Cup we'll be sure that we're going to attain that cup and let it remain here in Kenya.